Welcome back, students. Today I'll be teaching you how to use top margin and left margin attribute. So it's a attribute which is present under body tag. So firstly, I have already made one program for you. I'll just show you what I have done here. This is simple for you. Okay, I've just used body tag and P line is equal to justify. You can use div line also. Further in the program I'll let you know. And then further what I have used, font size is equal to 3, face I have used any face. You could use any kind of font you can use, it depends upon your choice. Then font is been closed here, this paragraph tag is been closed here, body and HTML. So this is simple. So I'll just save this program. Firstly I'll show you how it looks like. I'll just double click on this program and it is looking something like this. Okay, so what I've done here in this program, I have used here firstly justify alignment. In my earlier programs I've taught you about left alignment, center, right. Here I have used justify alignment. Okay, the same effect I can also get by using div. Just you see, if I'm using here div align, rest is all same, and here I'll close with div, and then if I'll run the program pressing F5 key, see nothing is changed. So means it depends upon me. I can use div align and then close it, or either I can use p align is equal to justify and then close the p tag, paragraph tag. Okay, so coming back to the top margin and left margin, as this program is basically made by me for explaining top margin and left margin. So by using the body tag, till now I have taught you about bg color. Suppose I am using black, text is equal to cyan. Firstly I'll check this, I've used this. Okay, and then directly I'll go there and I'll press F5 key. So it is looking something like this, and just see this is alignment is justified. I'll go back. Now what I'll do here, I want to use top margin. Top margin means this on the top. From here I want these lines should come just two three lines, it should be little uh, down, it should be down. I want little margin in between. Now you will say we can use br tag, but then plenty of times I have to type br tag. So what I should do, just to shift this down, I can use top margin. Top margin, and here I have to give in numeric number and no need to give inverted comma. Suppose I am writing here 100, I'll save it, I'll go back. Just see the difference now when I'll use the F5 key. F5 key, just see the difference. Now this is the top margin. Top margin I have used. The space on the top. This is all happened due to this use top margin. And the same way there is one left margin also. Just see in this example only I'll explain you. Left margin is equal to, I can use 100, file, save, and then pressing F5 key. You could see here the margin in between on the top also and left also. So I hope what I want to explain you has been clear to you. In this program we have learned how to use top margin and left margin, and I also told you about the justify alignment. So at this point I'll be finishing my tutorial.